Hello everybody, I'm Niger from Alpha Game of Physics. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the basic use of the Ludlum Model 5, a portable, energy compensated gamma dose rate meter. Let's get right into this. The Ludlum Model 5 is a rugged, versatile, and high-range analog Geiger counter used for measuring dose rates in millirangens per hour. It uses two internally housed, energy-compensated GM tubes to sense radiation. The small tube is active on only the two highest ranges, whereas the larger tube is used for sensing lower levels of radiation. Like most other Ludlum units, the Model 5 is powered from two D-cell batteries. The batteries are housed in a sealed, separate compartment from the electronics, so that in the event that a battery leaks, your electronics are protected. To insert batteries, locate the thumb screw beneath the 6-position switch. Give it a small turn counterclockwise and gently pull up. The battery lid will open. Insert the two D batteries into the compartment, noting the polarity markings on the underside of the lid. Press down on the lid and lock the screw. To power up the instrument, rotate the 6-position rotary switch from the off to the times 0.1 position. Spin the instrument around and locate the push button labeled BAT. Depressing it should cause the analog meter's needle to go past the BAT test or BAT OK mark. If it does not, you'll need to replace the batteries with fresh ones. To measure radiation, simply aim the front of the detector at the suspected source. The more clicks, the more radiation. The current dose rate can be deduced by multiplying the value indicated on the analog scale by the multiplier selected on the central switch. Should the needle go off scale, you can increment the rotary dial to the next multiplier. The reset button on the left side of the meter provides a fast means of driving the needle to 0 after a multiplier change, which may otherwise take some time. If at any point you wish to silence the Model 5's click audio, you can disable it using the dedicated toggle switch on the front panel. The switch next to the audio toggle, labeled with an F and S, controls your response time. In the F, or fast position, the analog scale will reach its full reading within only about 4 seconds. In the S, or slow position, it takes closer to 22 seconds. The slow position averages more and thus produces less needle jitter, and should be used when highly accurate measurements are needed. When you've finished using the Model 5, you can power it off by returning the range switch to the off position. It's also a good idea to remove the batteries if you plan to store the device for more than a month, so as to prevent leakage. And that's it! Now you're familiar with the theory of operation of the Ludlum Model 5 gamma dose rate meter. If you liked the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell, share the video with anyone you think might like it, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching!